Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another squishy video. So yeah, I'm going to be going to this little Walmart. It's not like too big, but they have like this little toy aisle, and I have seen a lot of squishies. I have $50, but I took 10 out of it, so right now I only have 40 left. But I'm going to be trying to do a limit challenge too. I have y'all holding y'all. So yeah, and I am going to have to do a part 2. But in this video, I'm just going to be like writing down what I need. But I will be doing another video in there, I think. It should give me Wi-Fi to do another video, hopefully. If it don't, I will like try to connect it, and if it don't work, I'll probably just, when I get home, tell you how sad it was, and then I'll probably show you the squishies and all. But hopefully it does work, because it works down the road when I try to do a video, but yeah, so hopefully it still works. So, I don't know if we're going to leave, but if we do leave, then I'm going to have to stop the video. But because I want to face y'all that way, but right now you're looking at me. Because I want to face y'all that way so like y'all can see the shelves. And I'm not bringing my tripod or my selfie stick because I haven't got one yet. I want a selfie stick because the selfie stick I still can film with, which is kind of like a tripod, but tripods are better, but they're expensive. And I don't want to do that. I'll have no one report y'all. I'm gonna get out the car, put my $10 into my Coke purse. Yeah, I have 2 squishies on it right now. I have my information. And this channel, if you can know it, I do slime and squishies and maybe a lot of work. But I do a lot of things that I like. I got a pencil and a paper, and hopefully to find some squishies that are cheap. Because the last, oh god, that is a lot of light, guys. Y'all see me? Okay, y'all can see me. Y'all can see me better under here. There we go. So y'all can see me better in here. So I'm gonna set you up on my dryer, and I'm sorry about the really loud background because I'm in my washing machine room, like my laundry room. Okay, there. So I have my, just a regular pencil with an eraser and a sharp. And I'm going to bring both of these with me. I have a paper, a cut paper that I cut to be like this, but I'll probably use this side if, if I buy anything else. But I'm just going to try to buy a few things, not too much, since I only have 10, and I want to make it cheap. So, Mommy, I'm just going to write my... Wait, I'm just going to put shopping list. I think that would be good. I would bring one of the Baby Alives, but y'all haven't met them yet. So I haven't did a video with them yet, which I'm hoping to get my new one, which I have my new one, but it's over at my Mimi's because I forgot it over there. And I'm not the best handwriting person, so excuse me for the bad handwriting. I mean, it looks kind of neat. It's not the best, and no, that's a cursive I. I just do that. I just do my eyes like that for some reason. And my L, like that. That's my L. So, yeah, I wish I would turn backwards. But so what I'm gonna hopefully be getting is, I think it's like the smushy mushy. No, it's not the smushy mushy. I don't know what it is. So, I'm just looking for at least sorry about the background noise, but that's not normal. But she's the one taking it. And hopefully about $3 because the last one is coming. The last time this evening they were about $3. So whatever I get goes on this list. So that's that, and that was really short, kind of long, but yeah, see you guys there. Bye.